Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your MacBook Air model and firmware so the installer will boot. Once done, make a full-time machine backup or a bootable clone. Do not skip this. Next, free 20 to 30 GB and download the Mac OS X. 13 High Sierra installer from Apple. Then insert an 8 GB USB, open terminal, and prepare to create the installer. These initial actions ensure you can recover if anything goes wrong, and let the process proceed without delays. You'll now build the bootable installer using the Create Install Media command in Terminal. Paste the exact command and enter your admin password when prompted. Once the USB is ready, restart and hold Option to boot from that drive, then choose the installer. Before installing, open Disk Utility. If your Mac is SSD, format as apps. Otherwise, use Mac OS Extended, journaled. Make sure to name the volume appropriately. Erasing prepares a clean target and avoids legacy file system conflicts during. You can now install High Sierra by selecting the formatted drive and letting the installer run. Expect multiple restarts and allow time for firmware updates. Once booted, run Software Update or apply the 10.13 combo updater to ensure firmware and security fixes are applied. Then restore your data from Time Machine or migrate manually. If the Mac won't boot, reset NVRAM and SMC, then retry the installer. If problems persist, boot the USB again and restore your clone backup. That single troubleshooting tip will resolve most install failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.